Once again, Adam here. You can find me at adamprizer.com, and I'm going through the installation and setup of OptimizePress. Now, in my prior two videos, I walked through the purchase process, the membership portal, and my last video, I walked you through installing the theme, not the plugin, because I'm at this time having problems with the plugin. So I walked you through installing the theme. It was pretty easy. So now where I left off last time was this is what I'm pretty much left with here. And so I need to apply one of these templates that were provided. So let's go ahead and figure that out together. Now, as of yet, the training material on OptimizePress is pretty thin, so I might not be doing this the right way, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to create a home page. So let me add a new page, and I'm just going to call it Home. Actually, before I name it Home, let me dismiss this. One of the first things you're supposed to do, and let me just verify on my theme, is my permalinks. I know that's a big part of this theme. Now, you always want to put your permalinks to be post name right there. Now, as you can see by default, it's not set to that, so I just want to make sure I do that before I get into configuring the theme. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to add a new page. Now, what's different is this all looks normal, but we have a new option right here that says OptimizePress Settings. So I'm going to go that route and click on that. Now, let's see here. This isn't giving me a very clear option to create a page from the template, so I think I've got this wrong. I think I perhaps want to go to OptimizePress and choose Page Builder. Most likely that's it. Okay, Page Builder. Here we go. So this is what they showed in their demo videos, the Page Builder. It's a 4-step process. So the page title, now you can always change this in the WordPress editor later, so I'm just going to put whatever. So I'm going to call this Home because I'm going to have it set to be my home page. Now right here, it gives you an option to check to see if the permalink's available. And it is, of course, since it's a new site, but I'm assuming if I had another page named Home, this wouldn't allow me to use that permalink right there. So that's good. And I actually like that it lets you specify a permalink prior to versus just, choosing what it is and then you have to click edit and do all this stuff. So I actually prefer this way. So, okay, I'm going to continue scrolling. Upload a page thumbnail. I don't know why I would need to upload a page thumbnail, so I'm not going to do that. Now, there's two options here to choose for the page presets. I can choose a blank page, or I can use a content template. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a content template, and now some more options have appeared beneath it. So it says select a pre-made template, the live editor. Perfect. So there's an option here to upload content template. I'm sure that would be neat if I spend some time, or some of my colleagues spend some time designing a really nice template. They could perhaps email it to me and then I can add it to my installation. That would be nice. So anyways, here's some of the templates. Right here it says for home pages. I actually don't really like the way this template looks right here. I think for my home page I want it to be more of a sales page, but I do want navigation links to to the blog and to other areas of the website. So let's see, I'm going to scroll down. Here's some options for membership pages, and this is not going to be a membership page. And let's see what else here. Opt-in pages. No, it's not going to be an opt-in either. It's going to be more of a sales page. Okay. Classic opt-in pages. Other pages. These are kind of interesting. These are download pages, frequently asked questions page. Here we go. Here are the sales pages, and currently it's only offering me 4 different sales pages. Now, I don't know if I actually want any of these, to be honest, but let's see what they've got. Here's a sales page for a book, a sales page that highlights a bunch of features, flat style sales page, and a sales page with Lightbox video. You know, it would be really nice if OptimizePress offered you their sales page, assuming they made their sales page with their own theme, because that isn't always the case. But it would be kind of nice if they offered that, so as a template, and they could obviously change out the content. I'm assuming they built it with their own theme, though. So anyways, right here, I think the one that stands out to me most is the sales page with the Lightbox video. Now, I don't really like Lightbox video, so I'm assuming that I'll be able to go in there and change that. But this looks the best to me, even though with my logo and everything, I'm going to need a white background or a lighter colored background, so I'm definitely going to need to change the colors. So, but I'm going to choose that anyway. And then at the bottom here, it says proceed to step 2. Okay, here is step 2. Okay, so this is the, what do they call it? The live page editor, where I can edit all of these things. Now, what's kind of neat is right now you see it with all of the controls, but if you click on this show hide controls, it'll give you a better idea of what it's going to look like. It actually looks pretty good, you know, it's aligned really well. If I scroll down, I've got a feature highlight, I've got a list of features that I can add here, another feature highlight, and some benefits or whatever. So this is actually doable for now. I do like the fact that I can have my navigation links up here. Oops, okay, so I actually just clicked there, and it's already given me some layout options. Header and navigation on. Okay, that's good, because I definitely want the header, and I definitely want the navigation. And these are, looks like, some other page options. So I'm actually going to close that. So let me turn my controls back on. So, all right, so right here, I want to figure out how to change the color of this, because my logo isn't light in color, so it's not going to look right. So I wonder if right here, color scheme settings, when I click on that, page color settings, okay, and here's some color options. Okay, drop down navigation. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a lot of edits to this to have a light option. It'd be nice if they had different color variations, and there really wasn't. Every template that stood out to me for a sales page has a darker colored header, which isn't going to work on the logo that I have, and a lot of the logos I tend to have created don't look good on a dark background. So we'll have to figure that out. So anyways, so I'm going to have to play with all these colors. I'm probably not going to do that right now. What I will do, though, is click save and continue. I'm going to change it from draft to publish. I'm going to do a save. Actually, I want to do a save and close. So that should be published. Now I chose to save and close, and you can see it didn't close. So I'll have to... Okay, there we go. Okay, so looks like that was created, and for some reason it took me to this add a new page when I was in OptimizePress. Anyway, so what I want to do is verify that that page is there. Okay, so here it is, and it looks like it's published. So now I'm going to go into my settings, and then I'm going to go into reading, and I'm going to select that page, that home page, and then I'm going to update it. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like. Okay, and there it is. This is my new home page. Obviously, it's completely not customized. I'm going to want to change this. I think if I click play, it pops up in a light box. I actually don't like that. So let me close that, of course. But anyways, that's as simple as it is. Now, I will say that so far this looks kind of nice. I don't have my navigation here, so I'm going to have to figure out how to change the color here. And it looks like it's just a solid color up and down. I'm going to have to learn how to change that. But then when I change this, then I'm going to have to go in and change the color of my font as well in all these boxes. So it'll be interesting to see how tedious it is to change the properties in all these different content boxes. So it does sound like it's going to be a little bit of work. So, but unfortunately, these colors just aren't going to work for me. So, anyways, now let me just show you one last thing. If I go back into Pages, and then I click on that page I just created. Now I have, it takes me straight to this, and there's a different option than it was before. A page builder to customize the template setting and the live editor. So if you ever need to get back to that live editor or for that page builder for a particular page that you've created, it's right here. So I can just click Launch Now, and it's going to take me to that same spot where I can edit these different elements. Let's make sure that works actually. Stay on this page. Let me show controls. Okay, so I'm not seeing where I can edit some of these items. So like right here, I would think that okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, so now it's showing. It wasn't showing right away. I think I would click this to edit it instead of saying find out more. I can click on the text, and here it is. Order now. And then I can click on insert. I'm assuming that's what I need to do. Okay, and there it is. I kind of would like it either to be wider or to be centered. I don't know how I would go about that. Let's see. Advanced element options. This is actually looking a lot like the latest version of Thesis to me. Some of these options. So let me go here and see if there's what options there are. Okay, so there's some spacing options, text, subtext, shadow, where the link's going to go. Let's see under styling, height. Okay, I don't see a way of centering it or making the width wider. Maybe on border size or border radius. Okay. All right, well, I'm going to have to play around with all these settings, but it is pretty nice. So let's see. I'm going to do a save and close. Let's see what happens when I click on Page Builder, if it just gives me an option to change it. So I'm clicking save and close. There it is. Now I'm going to click on Page Builder Launch Now. Okay, and it takes me through this page setup process again. Use current settings, use a content template. So I guess I can change the template if I chose going through here. I wonder what this thumbnail, the purpose of the thumbnail is. So if I select from gallery, that's probably going to be the WordPress gallery. If I had a thumbnail, I wonder, actually this is pretty nice. I like these thumbnails. They're very pretty. So I don't know what selecting one's going to do, but I'll choose one. Okay. Proceed to step 2. It'd be nice if I could just click save and get out of here. Okay, step 3. I don't remember this being an option. Choose a template for your page to be able to choose my border options. I'm going to get out of here because I don't want to mess this up. Click OK. Anyways, that's just the basics. I've got a lot of learning curve to go through. It'd be nice if they get up in the next couple days some training or some of the advanced training that they made available for the $17 per month. So anyways, I'm going to continue making videos for OptimizePress 2 to try to figure it out, and we can try to get this all figured out together. if there's anything specific that you want to see, just go ahead and put a comment below, and I'll try to check those as often as I can, and I'll try to make a video to address what you want to see with WordPress. And like I said, over the next couple of days, I'm going to try to take OptimizePress 2 and build out a full and complete membership site. I know it's going to be a massive undertaking. I've already got a couple ideas of what content I want to create. It's going to all be video based. So anyways, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified of these videos as I'm putting them out. You can also click on my link in the show notes that will take you over to OptimizePress's website to take a look at the product yourself. And other than that, if you can, just maybe click share and share these videos out with your people you're connected with on your social network. So anyways, thanks for watching.